Hi everyone, I wanted to show you a content operation system hybrid using Notion, Zapier, and Asana for online education business. The goal was to centralize content planning inside Notion while automating the production workflow inside Asana. So here we have two different schools. Everything is connected to one main content database where all the content is planned and managed. For privacy reasons, I replace the real content with example, but the system works exactly the same way. So inside the content database, we can manage different content type like YouTube video, email marketing, live sessions, and more. And each content type follows its own workflow and automation logic. So for this example, I'm going to create a YouTube video inside the main school. All right. So one thing that I have to do is to create a YouTube video here. And as you can see here, we use the database, the content database, but with some filters to see only content, YouTube video, and from the main school. Let's continue. So let's say it's a long format for September 2026. And as you can see here, the publish date is automatically calculated based on the custom publishing rules on month name and years. Let's write down a title, example, free video. And once the content is ready, you can add some information here, of course, but when it's ready, I simply check ready for production. And here it's a Zapier automation. First, Zapier watch the Notion database for updates, and then it checks the content type and validate if the content is ready for production. After that, the automation creates a structure inside Asana using the predefined template and custom JavaScript logic here. And there is also a logic to automatically calculate deadline and subtask due date based on the publish date. And now, if we go to Asana, we're going to see the YouTube video here in a few seconds. Here we go. So as you can see, we can see the task has been automatically created in the correct section. And the workflow already includes subtask and assigning it to the right person as well, and calculated the deadlines. This helps standardize the production process and reduce manual work for the team. And finally, once the task is completed in Asana, the content is automatically marked as published back inside the Notion. So the workflow stays synchronized between both tools, Notion and Asana. So this time, Zapier watch the Asana project and update the content status automatically inside Notion. And now we can see that the YouTube video is now published here, and we don't see anymore in the upcoming table. Overall, the goal of the system is to simplify the content operation, centralize planning, and automate repetitive production tasks.